So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Power Platform CLI in your Windows computer. Now, there are multiple ways through which you can install Power Platform CLI. The first one is using, say, Power Platform tools for Visual Studio Code. So if you have a VS Code, then you can add that as an extension from the marketplace, and you can get running with the Power Platform CLI. Second is via installing via .NET tools. Okay, and third, which is the most easiest option, which I would prefer, is installing the Power Platform CLI for Windows using the MSI model. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate to you what you can do before installing this. Now, this is the MSI model, the third model which we discussed. So if you go into this URL, so what it will do, it will download this CLI, okay, MSI, and then you just click on it, and then it is like then again a normal installation process. You can go next, and then you will have this CLI installed as a MSI application. Okay, I'll just cancel this. The second option is going into this URL using a global tool. So if you have, say, Visual Studio installed, Visual Studio, okay, or a .NET framework, the latest one installed, then this would be a easy process for you to run the solution. So you need to have something called as a .NET tool. Okay, so .NET, if the .NET command, it's a global tool command. If the .NET tool command runs within your say command prompt, then you can easily install the .NET CLI. Okay, I'll share this link in the videos, the description section. Third option is going into the marketplace, okay, and then installing the Power Platform tools. Okay, now you can go through the documentation. It's a very straightforward process, okay, and it lists down all the release notes as well. Now, so take for example, if you're in VS Code, then what you need to do is you need to go into this section of extension. The moment you do that, go there, in the search box, type in Power Platform Tools. Okay, and then you will see this Power Platform Tools icon. You click on it, and then you can install this. Okay, so you can install the Power Platform Tools, and if you see that, read the description here. I've just made it very big. So here in the description, it will tell you the Power Platform extension makes it easy to manage Power Platform environment and allows devs to create, build, and deploy Power Platform solution. Okay, installing this extension will also make the latest Power Platform CLI pack available in the VS Code terminal. Okay, so so that's it, folks. These are the three different ways through which you can install Power Platform CLI in your machine. Thanks for watching.